Hello Power BI community. Today we have the what if analyze and let's check this out. It will be very quick tip video and you will see very simple data, dummy data. This is the date and the sales. Okay, let's take the linear chart, put this table. It looks like this kind of line chart, and let's add new measure. Okay, I put this measurement on this data, and let's say we'll take the slicer. Finally, okay, let's observe some few periods. Here's a for example, here's a 6,500 80, and here's also 6,580. The dark blue, it's the previous period, and sales, it's the current period. Okay, now let's add the modeling new parameter. Yes, minimum should be a 1, increase 001, maximum let's input the 2, and default it does not matter. I want a decimal number. Pretty cool, man, pretty cool. And I will take this measurement and multiply. And what can we do by this insight? For example, if I had the 10% increase in previous periods, I would be the same results. It has a very good trend and perfect seasonality. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps your daily tasks. Bye bye.